rules become very important, and the combination becomes very important, orthography becomes very important, and so on. So in that way, there's a hierarchy of that, and that is divided into three sciences, three parts. One is the lexical, the new words and the meaning, the construction, the spelling. The second one is syntactic, the grammatical structure, how structures of the units are formed, and the semantic part, how the meaning is, the idea is inbuilt in the sentence. And then comes the how you do the paragraph, how you highlight the main idea of the paragraph, how the text is designed, what is the organization of the text in terms of knowledge. As soon as you go to knowledge, you have a transition of the child, which is a very difficult transition, from words to concepts. And as soon as you go to concepts, we find that we are gradually entering into the world of concrete to abstract, more generalizations, and more combination or linking of 2-3 ideas together to higher concepts, the hierarchy of concepts. So mapping of the concepts of different types. So we have taken all these technicalities into account. So when we design the course, we say that some practice of the lower level skills is very important, but at the same time, exposure to an interactive situation at the higher level skill is also possible, because if we reduce the language into spoken part, the meaning and the idea can be made very clear. So only through comprehension, reading of a text, they may not come to this without facilitation through a process of discussion and extending the idea to developing the context and giving the background. So there we take the help of 3 other modes. Major part of the text become gradually from episodic to narrative and expository. Episodic is a very simple story structure. Story structure is very simple, linear, sequential, one incident, the next one, you see the mapping could be done. As soon as you go to a narrative, you go to the details and the branching of kind. You see the finer elements and usage of a vocabulary which may not be common. For the word sun, you may use 3 different words. Which word you use here, it will depend on the author, the mood you want to create, or the environment you want to create in the text. So this creates the difficulty level. And you go to the knowledge component, you find that a principle is defined, a causal relationship is defined, cause and effect. And this is the logic inbuilt in the sequencing of these sentences, where the idea is structuring and taking shape. So these are the difficulties on comprehension. So teaching a child to go through these higher levels require practice.